How to buy Amazon Prime. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can buy Amazon Prime, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to buy Amazon Prime, all you have to do is we are not going to do it with the Amazon app. Instead, we're going to open our browser and then just go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I repeat again, amazon.com/Amazon Prime. Once you come to amazon.com/Amazon Prime, you'll land on this page where if you're not already logged in, you can just tap on your profile icon or your profile name here in order to log into your account. So once you basically log into your account, here you'll find the start your free trial option. You can make sure to just select this option over here. As you do that, you can simply select a payment method such as your credit or debit card, Venmo, or you can also use your gift card. Depending upon what you have, make sure to select them, tap on continue, and then you will have successfully bought Amazon Prime. This way you'll be able to buy Amazon Prime. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.